Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Telegram not connecting on settings. We will click here on settings, then we come here to settings window and we will go down. We will click here on apps, then we will come here to apps window and we will just go down here to looking for a Telegram app. We will just go down here to find the Telegram and we will click here on Telegram and we come here to this is window like you say. We will click here on force stop and we will click here on OK, then we will click here on storage, then we come here to storage window and we will click here on clear cache, then we will click here on manage storage and you just go to Play Store and update your Telegram app and it's going to work in with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe and see you in next video.